guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a detailed tutorial on the short I made about this poster design in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide or a blank poster design in Canva. Then we're gonna go to elements and search for frame, a rectangle frame, and then let's just add it right here. The next thing we have to do is just put them on top of each other one by one like this. Then what we're going to do is just give them equal distance. And also make sure that you have put everything at the right place. Then we're going to insert images. And we're going to make sure that all of the images in the frame align together to make a one bigger image. Here we go. Then what we're going to do is just put it right here. Then we're going to insert straight lines, put them horizontally and vertically in different manners. The next thing we have to do is just put it vertically as well. Also make sure that you have put them in other ways as well. Then what we're going to do is add sparkles. And we're just gonna add our text. Whatever the text you want to use, just put it here. Then we're gonna insert the text. Whatever the text you want to use, just insert it. Let's put a title on top, and we're gonna just duplicate it using Ctrl+D, give it a color and give it some transparency, then send it to the back. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.